Evaporation, condensation, precipitation and runoff, groundwater transpiration, it's all powered by the sun.
Evaporation is when the sun heats up the water and it turns into a gas and rises.
Precipitation is when water droplets get too heavy and they fall. They fall as rain, sleet, hail, snow, or freezing rain.
Runoff is water that goes into water or mountains that goes into a big body of water.
Is water that
Start over.
Groundwater is water that soaks up into the ground. Transpiration is water from plants that turns into a gas. It's all powered by the sun. The sun powers the whole water cycle.